Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone, enable developer options, and select your GPS spoofing app as the mock location provider so the system trusts it. Next, install and configure a VPN to the country or server region you want. This aligns IP with GPS. Once done, sign out of Mobile Legends and back up any local data. Make sure Play Protect is temporarily checked off for these apps, because Google can block mock location tools while you work. Now set the precise spoofed coordinates in the GPS app. Drop the pin where you want Mobile Legends to see you and enable a steady or follow mode so the location doesn't jitter. Then activate the VPN and confirm the IP resolves to that same country. Once both are stable, force stop Mobile Legends from app info and clear its cache so it pulls fresh location and network data on next launch. Then open the game and watch for region selection prompts. Finish by logging into Mobile Legends and choosing the server that matches your spoofed region. This ensures matches and content align with location. If the game still shows your old region, stop both apps, reboot the device, and reapply mock GPS and VPN in the correct order. One key troubleshooting tip: if you encounter login blocks or location detection, clear the Play Store and game app data, reinstall if necessary, and try a different reputable VPN.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.